What's good, guys? You already know what it is. We've got another unboxing, so let's just get straight into it. So as you can see, this was copped from End, and I'll tell you why it was copped from End in a minute. Let me just see what's in the box. Let's get straight into it. Endclothing.com, for those of you that don't know. First of all, this is the last, I can't remember the last time I copped something from End, but the packaging has increased tenfold. Like, look at how clean the receipt is. Envelope, the receipt, look how well packaged. I've got my Billionaire Boys Club t-shirt in here. And here is the star of the show. Let me just take him out of the box, get everything nice and ready. Bottom. So let me just get straight into the t-shirt first, because I'm probably going to spend a longer period of time talking about the shoes anyway. So let me get straight into the t-shirt. So I've gone for the classic script orange tee, reflective logo t-shirt. Actually, I don't know if I could switch to flash to show you guys, and I don't have anything else that I could flash. Just take my word for it. It's the reflective tee. Billionaire Boys Club, size large. If you guys want to see another video or outfit video with me wearing that or what I styled it with, let me know. I've got loads of different colours, that's why I picked the orange. Orange is kind of the colour of the season. I'm quite into fashion, so this is my pick for the tees. They got a massive sale on, so I would head over to End Clothing right now. And the reason I decided to cop Kevin Durant's off of a designer clothing store site is because they were much cheaper than Nike. Nike still had them for £130, which is retail, and these I copped for £85. From End. So let's see, Nike Zoom KD10 opening night. See, the retail was £130 on these, or £129, and I paid £85. And then the t-shirt retail is £55. I believe I paid 30 something. Right, so let's get straight into it. I'm actually really looking forward to these because I've started playing basketball again recently, taking it more serious, just for fitness, just to have a good time really. So let's see. Oh, these are fresh. These are sick. Okay, now these more than meet my expectations. These are wicked. So that's one pair. That's two pairs. Inside of the box, there's nothing special. Plain paper. So it's just got a gold box, KD logo, signature, plain gold side, size KD10, the name on the front. Here's the shoe, guys. White and blue, but what's this, the opening night colorway. You've got a translucent sole with a multi-directional traction. You've got the Warriors logo on the inside. You've got KD on the heel. You've got that gold and black tick. Let me open the insole one sec. Let me just, open the insole. Let me just take this thing out. You can see the insole. So you've got this camo Warriors colorway. So it's still quite stretchy as well. I can't really tell what the print is on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't really make that out. But if you guys can, let me know what that pattern is. Same thing on the other shoe. There's not really much to say besides End had a great sale. I needed a new pair of basketball sneakers. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys want a performance review, because I'm playing basketball tonight at my uni's team, so if you guys want a review on these, let me know. You probably won't because they've been out for a while. But yeah, and if you want an outfit, if you want to see an outfit with me in this, how I style it out, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.